Telegram has rolled out such a powerful update that everything has fundamentally changed. This video will completely change your understanding of Telegram bots. The old text menus are officially dead. Today, the bot is a full-fledged application with a revived interface, colored keys, animated emojis wherever possible, full-screen effects, and avatar generation. Sales are managed by an integrated AI consultant, and inside mini apps, endless video tapes are deployed for online stores, ordering services, online courses, and interactive quests. Accept payments directly in the messenger. Moreover, bots now communicate with each other directly through the bot-to-bot function, linking any services into a single ecosystem. And the coolest thing is that every user who clicks Start Bot stays in your database forever, allowing you to send newsletters absolutely for free. In a selection of short 5-minute videos, I will clearly and without water show you how to run all this through the smart Questflow service. Without programming skills, just writing text to artificial intelligence what you need, or putting together a project using Vibe coding. I have already posted all the examples and ready-made templates of multilingual bots in my Telegram channel. The free download link is right below this video. Go ahead and take it. In this video, we'll walk through how to connect your Questflow Telegram bot to a full-fledged Telegram mini app, using the VibeAdd e-commerce platform as an example. Let's start with the bot settings. In the left-hand menu, click the gear icon to open your settings. Go to the Integrations tab and scroll all the way down to the Site Integration block. Here, we need to generate a unique key. Click the Generate Site ID button and copy the provided code. Now, let's switch over to your store's dashboard on the VibeAdd platform. In the sidebar, open Store Settings and locate the Telegram Mini App section. Paste the copied site ID into the corresponding field and click Save and Check Connection. The status changes to active. The integration is successfully configured. Pay special attention to the Order Notifications toggle. When this is activated, your customer will automatically receive system updates about their purchase status directly in the chat with the bot. We'll see how this works in practice in just a moment. Let's head back to the Questflow visual editor. We need to create a button that will launch the store. Open the keyboard editor, add a button, and this is crucial. Select the mini app URL, web app type. Why don't we use a standard URL? A regular link will simply kick the user out to an external browser, where they would have to register all over again. The mini app URL type, however, opens your store directly inside the Telegram interface and seamlessly logs the user in using their Telegram account. No extra steps required, which massively boosts your conversion rates. We copy our store link from VibeAdd and paste it into the button settings in Questflow. To make it pop, let's change the button's color to green and add a visual Telegram effect, like fire. Save and publish the flow. Let's test out the customer experience. Open the bot and hit Start. Our fire effect triggers and the button appears. Click it and within a fraction of a second, our store opens directly inside Telegram. Take a look at the profile. The system already recognizes us. Authorization happened automatically. Let's place a test order. Select a product and add it to the cart. Enter a contact phone number, a delivery address, choose Pay on Receipt, and click Checkout. As soon as the order is confirmed, we can close the mini app, and here we see the automation in action. A notification with the order number and details has instantly arrived in the bot chat. This is exactly what that toggle in the VibeAdd settings was responsible for. Everything runs quickly, seamlessly, and delivers the ultimate user experience for your buyers.